Today we talk about how can you find promotions on your Octa app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here. So then you come here to promotions here, you just click on promotions here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find giveaways you have here. In this list I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in the benefits. Just click on it, then it's going to show for you your benefits here on your Octa app. So that's all you have to do to find your promotions. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.